फाटलो कित्येक तेंप जालो मिरामार फुटब्रिज हो धोकादायक आसा म्हणून मिडिया तशेंच काँग्रेस व्हायस प्रेसिडेंट सुनील खवटणकर हांणी तशेंच लोकांनी आवाज केल्लो। कोणी भुरगे हांगासरल्यान वतना हो ब्रिज कोसळून पडूं येता अशी ताकीद लोकांनी सतत दिल्ली। त्या प्रमाण सीसीपी मेयरान सांगिल्लें की हाचेर इन्स्पेक्शन करून PWD कितें तो रिपोर्ट दितली आनी उपरांत आमी ताच्या डेमोलिशनचे काम हातान घेतले। त्या प्रमाण PWDन फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट दिल्लो आसा आनी सद्याच्या पावसान केन्नाय हो ब्रिज कोसळूं येता हाची दखल घेवन सीसीपी मेयर आनी नॉर्थ गोवा कलेक्टर हांणी स्वता वचून ह्या ब्रिजाचे इन्स्पेक्शन केलें। तशेंच ह्या संबंधान कलेक्टर रोखडोच आदेश जारी करतली आनी हे डेमोलिशनचे काम आमी हातान घेतले अशें सीसीपी मेयरान सांगलें।
So 4 lakh will be given to that. Okay. How much time it will take for that process?
Immediate. So the Talati is in contact with the family and immediately as we get the details we release them.
Okay. So you are also monitoring that trees cases, no?
Yes, everything. All SDMs are directed to monitor the situation. So every taluka, all SDMs are teaming up with the fire and forest. They are identifying all the dangerous trees and they are starting cutting all the trees. This exercise was also taken up before during pre-monsoon phase and it's continuously going on. And again it's been now also it's again rescheduled. So immediately today all the SDMs and teams are on the field.
In all full Goa?
In full Goa.
We were basically discussing about the demolition of this bridge. Collector ma'am has told us that she'd pass an order to CCP regarding dismantling the bridge. So once that order comes, we'll issue a short tender as per quotation and remove the bridge.
How much time it will take the process?
When the order comes in, maybe 2 days. So to dismantle the bridge?
Yeah.
That will take time. We have to get a person who specializes in removal of this. So depending on how long his work, it comes to us issuing the thing, we'll get that done within multiple days.
So definitely it will be disposed.
Yeah.
And second issue is that yesterday one girl died because of tree. So what discussion is done with you, because all the trees in Panjim should be trimmed because many trees are like fallen like.
So now same now because we've been raining for like some 15 days continuously now. It's not rained this much in I don't know how many years. Now because of that the soil is loose. There's a lot of concretization of the thing. A lot of the foundations of trees are becoming weak. Now our teams have been out every single day responding to requests from both the citizens, our councillors, and ourselves also. Whatever happened was extremely unfortunate. We've asked the forest department to give us a full account of all the trees that are dangerous, what trees have to be cut, what trees need to be trimmed and everything. We've seen it's only perfectly healthy trees that are falling over. There is no dead trees or anything like that. So once we are doing it phase-wise. Once we get our first list, we will start deploying our teams as per forest departments and we'll get everything done.
But when you will get the first list of that?
See now unofficially they've started, so we broke. If they have to take up the full of Panjim and then submit the report, it will take some time. So we've told them to break it up in phases. For example, we'll take DB Road, Kampal, Central Panjim, Malti, and all of these places first, where you have these big rainforest trees, which are more likely to fall. We've started already in the morning. So we will get their initial requests.
So how many trees have been identified CCP?
Oh yeah, sir. So they've done 14-15 trees they've done so far. Now they will spend the rest of the day doing this full area.
Okay.
They will send us a report. Once we get the report, we will act based on the recommendation. Okay. So now a lot of these trees also now, the moment we try to cut them down, you have all of these NGOs and activists now who start coming and harassing all of us, filing RTIs, filing police reports and everything also. So we had also have certain issues.
So must begin करपाचे ना कारण पाऊस ही खूप
Yeah. We started already. The moment our teams have been deployed continuously. Our tree cutters have not had a single break now. They are working. They come to work even on Sundays. And morning till 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock they are still working. And plus they work in the night. The moment the trees fall down, our teams have been deployed continuously. Panjim has a lot of trees. It will take us some time to get it done. We will act on their report first. And once we've done, then we will start with.
So as identify सगळे जातले tree म्हणता तुम्ही.
So now only one area will be done as of now. Because if we wait for the full report, means we have to take Ribandar, all these other areas, so will take a lot of time. So we will give them certain stages. Let them do DB Road, where you have a lot of commuters, a lot of thoroughfare. Let them finish those that report first. We will act on their report, and as and when they submit, we will start doing that.